guys for joining as I crochet a flower. These handmade flower embellishments are actually going to be in an embellishment mix that I make. And they're all handmade, so some of them have 7 petals and some have 6. So they're all a little different. They're all handmade. You could put your own gem in them. I was going to put a gem in them, but one of my friends, YouTube friends, Sharon, I'll tag her in this video, she suggested that I just leave it alone and let you do it if you order some. But just to give you an idea, maybe something a little bigger, but let's do this smaller one here. Maybe something a little bigger, but you get the idea. You can put like a little gem on there. You can glue it to your projects. I am going to finish this spool. I used this whole spool on these flowers, and now I'm going to finish using this one up, and I think that should be enough for my mix. Once the mix is finished, I will definitely show you guys the mix on my channel, and then it will be available in my Etsy shop. So once that mix is ready, you guys will know, but this is one of the projects I am working on for that. Alright, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and thanks for watching and subscribing, and I will see you guys on my next one. Alright, bye.